Hi everyone, here we've got Realme 7 and let me show you how to add a photo to a contact in this device. So first of all, let's tap on the dialer and go to your contact list. Now let's tap on the one you want to edit and click on Edit Contact. Now let's tap on this camera icon and here we can either take a photo and your device will open the camera app, or simply choose a photo from your gallery. So let me pick choose a photo. Now let's choose the gallery and let's tap on the one you want to use. Now we can decide where we want to crop the photo, so we can crop it using our own gallery or Google Photos. So let me pick, for example, Google Photos. And here from this step we can adjust the size of this square, and thanks to this we can decide what we will see after saving the whole contact. So set it just like you want. What's more, here you can change the angle of that picture. It's really up to you how you want to set it. And if you are happy with the results, tap on Done. Remember to tap on Save. And as you can see, the photo has been applied immediately. Let's get back. It is also visible on our contact list and you will be able to see it while all incoming calls from that number. So that's all. This is how to add a photo to a contact in your Realme 7. Thank you so much for watching, and if you find that this video was helpful, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.